Yung batang sipat. Morning. Ano daw? Garon pa ka mata, Kwel? Wala pa mo nag-eat? Ha? Asa man ka mukhaon, dire?
Hospital nino.
Hoy, dire ka mukhaon? Unsa day sudan ninyo di ay? Dunga lang mo kuya, si Lula lang mungit. Ha? Bawa makakag, kaong kag quick chow.
Ha?
Ha?
Hotel?
Bangko. Sere way bangko. Nadia. Oh, dito tara isa oh. Kwato yata ito isa kong. Tara pa. Ano dia gipangsang? Anak ko ado. Sige lang. Dito. Halagi, kuanan man ko sa bata. Oy, gibawian man ko bangko. Oy, giubo ka? Luya, giubo. Piso. Lord, gitulo na. Ano saya gulo.
Nasa pagkahad mo.
Nakita siya. Oh, Lord. Dali, Lord. Dali, di mo ka na kay silpo.
Lord.
Kuhan na.
Mang, paim na rin siya taon-taon tubig, kay ano, kayo.
Okay, hindi naman nagbuhan, pineapple.
Nawa siya yung tubig na.
Wala, gani mo dito kayo, naglakaw mo, pineapple din naman. Hindi na inom.
Ako din, hindi ka mag-juice ha, hindi ka pagtuon na din eh.
Kuhan oy, kanang lemon. Lemon juice.
Ngayon si Pon.
Charges and now reappears back where he started. He chases it, but again, it disappears.
Sa kanin ko sa sapatos ko.
In the distance, he sees a door unexplainably
Bakit
closed.
kakuha na?
Tanawa daw diya. Murmuha gani.
may vlog
He
guys.
saw a minor duck inside the room, so he heads toward the door to investigate.
Ano ba yan ito? Leng! Nanang suga sa kilo.
Nana? Oh, ang view. Matawag ko ugma. Magdadad doon ako.
Sige man, i-charge naman.
Dalaon ako ang, ugma na ta magtaod. Dalaon ako ang glue. Shout out. Lakakil. Bang, lakal.
Tungo ka ba?
Lakal.
Ay, tungo ba?
Xiaolong has had enough. He sprints along the winding halls of the mansion and eventually makes his escape.
Yung gapon mo, di ko
Xiaolong
ano.
captures strange teleporting shadow figure. As always, aside. You can watch more of Xiaolong's terrifying explorations live on his YouTube channel. outdoor shower.
Anak daw yun. Sabaw.
Stranger in the house. When TikTok user Leanne moved into her new house with her son and 2 daughters, she didn't know much about the property's history or previous owners. But as it turns out, a man had taken his own life in the house many years ago. The stranger
Ay,
previous
si
owners said
Ken.
the house was haunted by that
Wait lang,
ghost and had left in
Wala
fear.
pa may kuan.
So, not long after Leanne and her family moved into the house,
Wait.
odd, unexplainable things begin to occur. One day, Leanne notices her 6-year-old son Dylan exhibiting some very
Isa pa?
odd behavior.
Wala sinulid na kasi yung gingon.
Ano siya color?
Pink.
Pink? Puti?
Wala rin wala yan.
Little Dylan is playing with his toys in the living room when he can be heard saying, "Who's that?"
Kaon diri ba?
George. Dali na, be. Wala si...
Looking at something that we can't see before quickly spinning around, seemingly frightened by something behind him, almost as if he felt something touch him.
Bina kung manimba mo unya.
Just get creepier from here.
Mas
One
G's na
autumn
niya
day,
rin.
Leanne is outside filming little Dylan as he plays in the fallen leaves. Then, this happens.
Naghutoy na ka, Jin.
Dylan happily throws around leaves, and then he seems to throw his toy at something. But then, some unknown force seems to forcibly shove him to the ground. Leanne
Sikaran
believes
siya.
that the spirit that haunted their house was now targeting her 6-year-old son. Soon after this video and several other incidents, Leanne and her family moved out. They had only lived in the house for
Saan
7
meron?
months, but they no longer felt safe.
Dili. Kay Sam na.
So, was Leanne's house haunted by the former tenant? What do you think? The unwanted roommate. Popular paranormal investigator Chriselle Luna says that after 8 years of exploring haunted places,
Mana niyo?
that some strange dark presence seems to have attached itself to her and even followed her home.
Ezekiel.
Her new apartment in the Dominican
Hindi
Republic
makatanaw
has
sa
multiple
camera.
cameras around her home in hopes of capturing the strange paranormal activity that she
Mang, pakuha lang si Lord, ha?
on a daily basis. And it works. Late one night as Chriselle
Pakuha lang ng bayaran
in bed,
unya.
her security camera
Kami
catches
ko, Pam.
something chilling.
Ay. I-full off na. I-full off na.
Sana ko, Mang.
Wait, lakaw yung money.
Warta. May mani daghan.
Naman siya mukuhan. Naman cellphone.
Eerily, a pillow at the end of Chriselle's bed begins to move, rocking back and forth on its own. Then a painting on the wall just sort of slowly rotates. The sound of the painting scraping along the wall wakes Chriselle, but she's confused and has no idea where
Kanino
the
kagatas?
sound might have
Si
come
Ken
from.
wala.
Wala.
Cut to the next
Buang
night.
naman na eh.
Chriselle is woken again by strange
Musa na din mong mama di ay.
This time the
Ako na
bizarre
na
noises
nagkaong
are coming from her
pagpupuklat ni
empty,
mataman
dark
ko.
bathroom. She grabs her
Ibis
phone
mang matag una kay magluto, magigamo.
pictures is absolutely
Ginoo.
Wala. Ay, wala.
Ano yung salig na kayo ba?
Si Mama, manggod na tulog. Wala, nag-video ba ka? Mama, manggod. Bawal ba mag-ano?
Ano pa din mo?
Mamalikas. Wala kayo nilakaw.
Luto na tupang? Hindi, laglaw ko ang iyaka ko.
Ang pait.
Kuan ra, nag-ubo ko na kapirang kuan di. Ibaw diri oh. Diri oh, diri.
Excuse me. Okay, let's roll this so
A creepy Miss-like figure can be seen moving around
Gracias.
in Chriselle's bathroom.
Hoy,
She heads into
dito na na.
There's nothing
Ayay, mo na kanagutan
So
ni
is
Lula.
Chriselle haunted by a dark presence?
Nagluto man si Lula kanon. Magkaong ka.
Let me know what you think. You can watch Chriselle's entire video and many more creepy explorations.
Nagluto si Lula pag kanon na. Wala pa nahubasa.
Luna, watching you. This next video was
Wala,
sent by
ay,
News
nagbasa
Top
ko.
5 viewer Felix Estrella from Gainesville, Florida. One very early morning, Felix admits that he was a little inebriated when he went outside for some fresh air. He then spots something truly bizarre in the garage window. He pulls out his phone and starts to film.
Dapat nag-inom kag milk. Dapat nag-inom og milk.
Natulog na titikil. Dugo siya mga mata. Look like slender, you know. Ito naman ko daan. Alam.
Ang talon og ganun ka. Mauna ba?
Okay, cool.
Sa may sudano nimo be?
Ang patutsaw.
Chow? Uyoy.
A pale, creepy face can be seen watching Felix.
Kao nagag-quick chow?
As Felix walks closer to the garage, the face mysteriously disappears. So could it be that Felix caught some kind of ghost or entity by accident? You? Paranormal Nightmare. For the last 5 years, Kathy Gallinger from the YouTube channel Paranormal Nightmares says she's been experiencing paranormal activity in her home in Canada. Now, Kathy might seem familiar as I've featured some of her spooky captures in her home before. Oddly, the paranormal presence often seems to target her pet cats.
Ay, mga.
Nakalipas na kami ng bahay. At kumpleto na namin ang mga gamit. Kaso, kinapapos ko na ng
Ang labi!
No.
Kathy believes that the source of the haunting in her home might be her collection of antique dolls. However, Kathy doesn't want to get rid of the dolls as they belong to her aunt, who has now passed away. Kathy keeps the creepy dolls in the basement with a security camera monitoring the area 24/7. So one day at around 3 p.m. in the
Kung imong
afternoon,
chinilas
Kathy's
kung
husband Jamie goes into the basement
parang
to quickly
naglingkod.
cut a piece of wood in his basement workshop. When he comes back out, he's a bit freaked by what he sees.
Wala nang tuya. Wala. Scary, no? Tuya.
Napulat ang
Ano?
The chair the dolls are in seems to lean back on its own and just stays
No,
there,
no.
wobbling in mid-air. Jamie can't believe his eyes and uses the piece of wood he was cutting to just kind of poke around the chair, looking for anything weird. But he finds nothing, even after checking on all sides. The chair drops back to the floor and Jamie has had enough. He decides to just get out of there. But Jamie isn't the only one who has had a terrifying experience in the house. In the middle of the night, Kathy hears noises coming from the upstairs bathroom. She returns with her phone and begins to record in the dark. Before long, things take a terrifying turn.
Ha? That's Jesus. Pagtarog lingkod oy.
And I heard something whisper my name, so I ran in.
Wala, mag-confusion man ugma, magdubli kung kuan ko. Malawat. Basta mag-confusion, di kong simba nagdomingo. Kalunis na.
Limango na, Lord. Diba, Lord? Limango ko na. Kumungo na, Grab. Kumungo na, Grab.
Kathy is shocked as she sees what looks like a strange mist
Sige, asa na yung sleeper, be.
seems to emerge
Na-sleeper, be, oh.
from the darkness.
Asang Paris, ani, be.
Nawala niya.
It could be.
Ito na
So
palitan
is
na lang.
Kathy's house haunted? Are the dolls haunted? Or
Wala.
is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. You can watch Kathy's videos over on her YouTube channel, Paranormal Nightmares. Thank you so much for watching, and total opposite of what I usually say, but a lot of videos will be coming up in December. And also, finally,
Diba? Kakak wala, Lord. Limango na ungo. Limango na Lord. Hi, hi.
top on ghosts,
Gutom na
stranger
tayo po.
than fiction. Popular Japanese YouTube channel Fourth Wall will send a video by an anonymous ghost hunter who was investigating a creepy local legend on Benten Mountain in Fukushima, Japan. Even though the mountain is a largely visited tourist attraction, locals warn that it's an ominous place that should be avoided. There are many unexplained abandoned buildings and ruins scattered along the mountain, and history tells of terrible battles fought in this location in the 15th to 17th century. People believe the mountain to be extremely haunted by the spirits of fallen soldiers and unexplained apparitions. Many visitors often claim to see the pale ghost of a woman aimlessly wandering around the mountainside. And even more disturbing, there are many creepy stories claiming that some who visited the mountain were cursed and soon after passed away under very strange circumstances. Nevertheless, the anonymous ghost hunter records as he climbs the mountain in the dead of night. It isn't until he returns home and looks through his footage that he discovers that he captured something absolutely terrifying. Take a very close look. As the paranormal investigator is climbing the long stairs up the mountain, a strange pale figure can be seen walking at the top. The figure appears to be translucent and has no distinguishable features. The ghost hunter can't see this and has no idea what he just captured as he reaches the top of the stairs to continue his exploration. What happens next is downright chilling.
Wow! So, kaon. Ano ang yes, kaon
Very
niya.
easy to miss, but soon after the investigator reaches the top, unexplained footsteps just seem to appear in the snow. Something that seems to be walking away. Whatever he captured earlier at the top of the stairs it still seems to be there. Now, that isn't even all that the ghost hunter captured on camera. Earlier, as he was climbing the stairs, he captured something else. Something terrifying. But did you see it? Pay close attention. Again, it's difficult to see and very easy to miss, but with a little enhancement, you can see that something seems to have been watching him. Something hiding in the dark woods. So are the legends true? Is Benton Mountain haunted by the ominous spirits of the past? Let me know what you think. You can watch this full video, which includes another scary sighting and many more creepy videos with English subtitles over on the YouTube channel, Fourth Wall. Sixth Sensor. Following a viral TikTok trend, Italian paranormal YouTubers PIT, Paranormal Investigation Team, traveled to an abandoned cemetery on a snow-covered mountain road in the Piedmont region of Italy. Team members Paolo and Deborah are interested to see if their Tesla car sensor will be able to spot the invisible entities that are said to haunt the creepy cemetery. Locals that live nearby claim that there used to be a lively village that was ultimately abandoned when it became too difficult to live on the high mountain. They say that they've seen dark, shadow-like apparitions haunting the cemetery grounds, and they believe that the spirit of a woman wanders the cemetery. All that's left of the mysterious graveyard are a few wooden crosses that stick out from a thick layer of snow. When exploring the area, Paolo and Deborah find something disturbing that they just can't explain.
Ma che impronte strane sono. A tre. 1, 2, 3. A tre.
Paolo and Deborah find bizarre footsteps in the snow. However, instead of the footsteps coming in pairs, they come in 3. The two investigators are a little creeped out and return to the warmth of their car as they wait. While sitting on the lonely and deserted mountain road, the two investigators are keeping a close eye on the Tesla's sensor. A long time passes, and nothing. Paolo is just about to end the investigation and call it a night when this happens.
Quindi niente, non c'è nessuno qua. Peccato. Oh, non c'era qualcuno. Non l'ho filmato. Non l'ho filmato. Davanti nero.
Ottimo, come davanti.
Davanti qua. Di nuovo, guarda, guarda, guarda. Guarda, non c'è niente. E non c'è niente. Non c'è niente. Ma c'era. L'hai visto? L'hai visto? L'hai visto? Oh mio Dio, anche la macchina. Perché? No, me l'ha messa in P.
E c'è una stupida.
Oh, il tasto P è qua, eh. Devi fare così per sbloccarlo. Oh mio Dio. C'era qualcuno qua.
Qualcuno di davanti?
L'hai visto o no?
Certo che l'ho visto, sul lato sinistro.
Sì, qua era. Ma davanti non c'è niente.
Vuoi avvicinarti?
Di nuovo, di nuovo, di nuovo, di nuovo. L'ha fatto, l'ha fatto, l'ha fatto, l'ha fatto. Aspetta.
The Tesla senses something that Paolo and Deborah can't see. Someone standing right in front of the car. Whatever it is, it disappears just as quickly as it materialized. A day later, and the two investigators return to the cemetery, this time bringing along friend and fellow team member Simone. What happens that night is downright chilling.
Summer business idea ba ang hanap mo? Na budget-friendly ang pununan? Kikita ka ng up to 2,000 per month? May alam ako! Mga katala, sinimulan
Non lo so. Allora, c'è un'atmosfera strana.
Sì, quel silenzio.
Ok, c'è un qualcosa di strano. Però magari è semplicemente la suggestione del luogo. Cioè non è niente di che. Potrebbe essere semplicemente quello. Oppure lei praticamente non c'è più. Perché abbiamo espresso il suo...
Te lo giuro, c'è qualcosa là. Dove? C'è qualcosa là. Dalle croci. Dalle croci.
Ma infatti dalle croci!
L'ho vista, là, sì, l'ho vista, poi l'ho vista. Spero di essere riuscito a filmare, ma l'ho vista. Era là di fianco alle croci. Di fianco alle croci. E ma cosa c'era? C'erano, che te lo giuro, c'era roba nera che si è mossa. Ma sei sicuro? Sì,
Aspetta un secondo.
sono sicuro.
Fai tirare su. Oh, grazie. Mi hai fatto prendere un infarto.
The three friends are talking when all of a sudden a dark figure seems to dive headfirst into the snow right in front of them. The investigators are shocked, and Simone films as the apparition disappears right in front of their eyes. So did the PIT paranormal team capture evidence of a real haunting on the mountain? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. You can watch this full 3-part series and many more great paranormal investigations over on the YouTube channel PIT Paranormal Investigation Team. If you see a video that you think would be perfect for the top 5, or if you have a ghost hunting channel and you caught something great, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. Videos that will make you say, what? Now in this next segment, I have 2 videos that are just very, very strange. I'm honestly not sure whether these videos are paranormal or just what they are, but they're definitely very creepy and just hard to explain. So watch carefully and let me know what you think down in the comments. Now this first video is a bit of a mystery. All I know is that it comes from a CCTV security camera on a street somewhere in India. The poster claims it's a video of a man encountering a child ghost, but you decide. So it's nearly midnight when a man on a motorcycle comes driving down a neighborhood street. He suddenly stops as he sees something very strange. And then, well, just watch.
Just like
Dodot, iwas na. Dali na. Waong ko na ron. Takwa ka nga. Roon mo pili sa ako ah. Lakaw-lakaw. Tanawa na dyan, napuno na ba dyan?
ang
Pero nga, kanang masubay ba ni mo? Eh,
28
okay na.